Hi, welcome to Lingua Meeting. Today I'm going to show you how to book your session. Once you are on your profile, you will click View Course. Then you will select Book Session. Then at this point, you will click a date that you are available along with the time of day. During this moment, it can take up to 15 seconds, being that our system is searching the coaches available for your specific time slot. Here you have the coaches available, and you may see each one by clicking book, seeing their about me, and then checking out the time slots they have available. I'm going to select my desired time slot, click yes. As it loads, we now see we are now booked and ready to go, being that it is in dark blue.